Isn't that great?
Give him a big round of applause, Miramar, so we can hear you.
Here comes Kirby Chambliss. Watch this as he takes off.
With over 300 horsepower on the motor, and we're thrilled to see him as he now will climb skyward after he does a couple of passes. Watch this incredible flyer. From near Phoenix, Arizona. He's going to win. He'll let the airplane come back through with a hammerhead stall turn. Well, actually, he'll sawtooth it or sharp-tooth it and come on back down. And Luke Akins, what a tremendous jump. No, it's not a bad way at all. Smoke all the way down. You feeling pretty good?
Feeling great. I mean, the wind is perfect. Little breeze makes for a really soft landing. So makes for a super fun skydive. So what you guys saw right there is I just jumped out from 1,000 feet. I used a base fast, predictable, all the different types of skydiving. We showed you airplane, helicopter aerobatics, Kirby spiraling around, and never to be outdone, our fearless leader here, Kirby Chambliss, coming from the top right corner of the box. He comes in and he will ring out this Edge 540 for us.
It has an incredible roll rate of over 400 some degrees, 450 degrees per second.
Yeah, I can still not figure it out. I've been for a ride with him. I can't figure out how he knows when to stop rotating, but it comes out perfect every time.
Practice, my friend, practice. It's like how do you get to Carnegie Hall? Practice. In this case, he has shown the world what a talented guy he is, and yet he's got an incredible airline career, and he kind of set a record with Southwest Airlines.
Yeah, Kirby's one of the youngest and not the youngest captain ever for Southwest Airlines. Championships in aerobatic, and then at the Red Bull Air Races. I would say for a guy like Kirby, flying isn't just a job, it's his life.
Oh yeah, well, when you live at the Flying Crown Ranch, right?
Yeah, so Kirby has a runway in his backyard. He's able to take off, do aerobatics, practice, keep his G tolerance up right in his backyard. He goes through a nice. His neighbors get a show like this every day.
Oh, that's pretty cool. The Red Bull Edge 540 and the Red Bull Air Force, you guys have traveled around and all of you have your own records and accomplishments. But it's a performance that just showcases the extreme capabilities of the extreme machines, be it a fixed wing aircraft, being a rotary wing aircraft, or being a flying, well, an flying airfoil of different sizes and shapes and speeds.
Yeah, with Red Bull sponsoring us, able to show us what you got to do. It's not just their bio, it's their names. It really gives us wings up. So as Kirby comes ripping across here.
Oh boy, that's 10 or 12 G's, isn't it?
There's no time to catch his breath. He says he recovers on his way down, right at the top, as he starts to relax for a second. He catches his breath and winds up for a whole nother routine. There's no one I trust more in the cockpit than Kirby, especially when we're doing random wild projects like we get to do.
Oh, that's amazing. And you guys have preserved some very important airplanes as well, like the B-38 Lightning is one of a handful of those that are still flying.
Yeah, Hangar 7 is taking a great job at preserving some of these awesome aircraft that have been around for a long time. Hopefully they stay flying. What I like about their program is that all the aircraft actually fly. It's a museum that everything
do next? A knife edge spin, boy. Now at that point, the airplane's not even flying. It was just falling, wasn't it?
It looks like somebody grabbed it and just threw it across the sky. It's really wild to me. And as Kirby comes around here, he's going to do this. If you're not paying attention, it looks like he's just doing a little pass. But he's going to come around here after a little bit, and he's going to do this terrific move. My son's 10 years old. All the things that Kirby does, he thinks that's the coolest thing, where he's actually drifting the airplane. So, this one is
being an athlete is a big part of this game, isn't it?
It really is. Being able to sustain these G's, fly up and down the line, pay attention to everything that's going on, aware of everything. So it's not just being physically fit, it's also all those things. And I have a feeling when I've been watching Kirby today, it's a whole nother level than I saw yesterday.
Yeah, I mean, the team loop right there.
It's just inside itself, right?
Very small inside loop. Aviation runs in his family's blood, doesn't it?
As he comes around here, there's the move. When he just kind of slides the airplane sideways like that.
Incredibly impressive stuff.
So as he winds up here and comes around from the other end, we'll pay attention as he comes down the runway. I believe he's going to throw his patented Cobra move here, where he stands the plane on the tail.
Let's take a look. Yeah, you get to read Red Bull on the top and all over. He's been flying for Red Bull for a number of years, hasn't he?
Yeah, we call him the godfather of the Air Force here. He kind of started this whole thing for us, and we're all just happy to be showing up.
Eyes on Kirby.
All right, here's the great one. As he stands up in the Cobra, knowing when to push over on this was pretty wild to me. As he stands up on his So from myself, Luke Aikens, we got Sean McCormick, Mike Swanson, Aaron